Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. Well, we're currently tracking here a pullback into our support zone for wave 2 in the blue scenario. We were watching here this 5-wave move to the upside, this sequence of 5 waves to the upside into the October high from the September low together every single day. I made a video and I said to you, one more high would be ideal. Yeah, maybe a slight break above resistance for us to get that sequence of 5 waves that we need to see, at least to keep this bullish perspective alive, the directly bullish perspective alive, yeah, from a bullish point of view. Again, is this high confidence? I mean, not really at this point, because this move to the upside is choppy and messy. The invalidation point is at $19.80 and $20.61 is Fibonacci support. So as long as we're holding above these two levels, there is no reason to let's say dismiss the blue scenario, but I will start to see it as less likely should the market break below $20.61. It's just important to understand that even if we break below this micro 1-2 setup, there isn't, I would not dismiss the broader bullish thesis still for this cycle. Yeah. Please note, it's an altcoin, of course. It is, in my opinion, one of the more reliable altcoins. But still, though, if the entire sector dives, okay, then also this 1-2 setup won't hold. So it's just important to understand what are the relevant levels on the micro time frame here. What keeps the short-term thesis alive that we could be working on a turnaround there to the upside from the September low, and that, below $20.61, a broader wave 2 correction is likely unfolding. I have to say, the problem is if we get one more low, I can start to view this as a 5-wave decline from the August high, but I could view it as a very complex W, X, Y, X, Z structure. That's valid and possible. The only problem is it would be somehow a 5-wave move down. 5 waves down, but with overlapping structures. But it might even be a diagonal then to the downside, a leading diagonal to the downside. That's the problem with another low. But it technically wouldn't have broken any meaningful support levels, because for yellow wave 2, support is actually at around 1330. So there's a lot of room, okay? But for now, we're tracking this. And even in this blue wave 2, which means the more directly bullish scenario, we could get a broader wave 2 correction, a B wave bounce. Resistance, I communicated that already in our member update earlier today. Oops, my screen just got black. Is it back? Yeah, not sure if you also saw black, but back. $22.42 to $23.50 is the nearest micro resistance area. And also this trend line has provided some resistance before. It might provide some resistance again in the area around $23. So this would be the ideal spot to start the B wave bounce from. But so far, not really much evidence that it actually started. But as I said before, this would be the ideal zone from where we could start that B wave bounce. And once we have the B wave in place, we can calculate a target for the C wave decline. At the moment, we only have a support area, not a target area. The higher the B wave, the higher the probability is that wave C will hold a higher low. So actually, that wave C will be able to hold support above the 78.6 retracement. So that's the update on Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, for example, bonus updates on gold, silver, or even updates about stocks, there are bonus updates there as well. Check out our gold membership. Of course, altcoins are included, Tradingview live charts are included, an Elliott wave course is included. If you want to participate in our weekend community live sessions, you can do that in our membership. Check it out. Would love to see you there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.